In today's lecture, we are going to study classification of mutation. Lecture number 10, mutation. So, we are going to study classification of mutation. Classification of mutation is done according to various different factors. So, on the basis of source of mutation is classified in different ways. According to source of mutation, according to direction of mutation, according to tissue in which mutation takes place, according to the effect of individual on according to effect on individual due to mutation, according to site where mutation takes place, according to the character and visibility of the mutation. So first, according to source of mutation. According to source of mutation may occur naturally and spontaneously. So it is natural and spontaneous mutation. It may occur suddenly, naturally and spontaneously. Secondly, mutation may occur by using physical and chemical mutations, means artificial mutation may take place by using physical and chemical mutations. So these, according to source of mutations are natural and artificial. Then according to direction of change due to mutation are classified in two ways. Mutation occurs according to direction from dominant to recessive. Dominant gene will change into recessive, or secondly recessive gene may change into dominant. Means recessive character may change into dominant character. So according to direction, there are two types, from dominant to recessive. Change in direction from dominant to recessive, change in direction from recessive to dominant. Then mutation according to tissue. So there are two types of tissue, somatic and reproductive. Somatic cells and reproductive cells. So mutation in somatic tissue, mutation in reproductive tissue. Then mutation according to effects, harmful mutation and useful mutation. Two types of mutations, harmful and useful mutation. Then according to site of mutation. Site of mutation may be somatic tissue or reproductive tissue, or site may be highly mutable site on the gene or less mutable site on the gene, or it may be mutable gene, highly mutable gene and less mutable gene. Then characters of change in character of an individual. A change in character of an individual may differ from individual to individual. Character may change in one single gene or character may change in nuclear gene or it may change in cytoplasmic gene. So character of an individual may change due to nuclear gene or cytoplasmic gene, or character of an individual may change in somatic cell or reproductive cell. Then visibility of mutation. Some mutation may be visible or we can observe some mutations. Some mutations may be invisible, means we cannot observe the mutation with our eyes. So in this way different factors or basis of classification are there. Then what is mutant? A product of mutation is called mutant. Means the individual, a change in character of an individual is called as mutant. Means any change in character due to mutation in an individual is called as mutant. That individual is called as mutant because that individual undergoes the change in its character due to mutation. So product of mutation is called mutant. Types of mutant. There are 4 types of mutant. One is morphological mutant, means a changes in the individual we can see with our eyes or we can observe the changes which are occurring in an individual. So such type of individual are called as morphological mutants. Then second type is lethal mutant, means in an individual when mutation takes place, that mutation is harmful and it will cause the death of an individual. That change in character will cause death of mutation. Such genes or such individuals are called as lethal mutant. Lethal mutant means any change in the character will cause the death of that individual. Then third is conditional lethal mutant. Some individuals may survive in all natural environmental conditions, but in some specific environmental conditions these mutants will not survive. And if these individuals are provided with any other environmental conditions, then that individual will survive. Means individual will not survive under special environmental conditions. Such mutants are called as conditional lethal mutant. In specific environmental conditions only that mutant or that individual will not survive. But when it is provided by any other environmental conditions, that individual will survive. So it is conditional lethal mutant. Then fourth is biochemical mutant, means some individual do not survive when there is a deficiency of certain chemicals, but when they are supplied with appropriate chemicals, then that individual will survive. So when a individual is supplied by appropriate nutrients, that individuals will survive. When there is a deficiency of some nutrients, that individuals will not survive. So they are called as biochemical mutants. So mutants are of four types: morphological mutants, lethal mutants, conditional lethal mutants, and fourth is biochemical mutants. Then what are mutagens? Mutagens means the chemical or physical agents which are used artificially to have mutation in some gene of the character is called as mutagens. So chemical and physical agents which are used for occurring the mutation is called as mutagens. So there are physical mutagens like X-rays, gamma rays, alpha rays, beta rays, ultraviolet rays, fast and thermal neutrons. These are physical agents which are useful for having or undergoing the mutation in an individual. So a gene of certain character may have mutation by using these physical mutagens. There are some chemicals which are also used for having or occurring mutation in a gene of any character. So these are called as chemical mutagens. In next period we will study how physical mutations are working for having or occurring the mutation in an individual. So physical agents or physical mutagens are used that are X-rays, gamma rays, alpha rays, beta rays, fast and thermal neutrons, and ultraviolet rays. So these are physical mutagens.